Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Beaver, Butler, Lawrence, Washington,
I guess
and
just got it on my phone.
and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke and Hancock. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson.
Getting way closer. Come on, why do I keep getting on my phone? First I got watches and now I got freaking warning. Got two warnings.
County in west central Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boardman to near East Palestine to near Midland to 6 miles north.
I'm gonna see if there's anything on my TV. Nope.
Impact expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, Newcastle, McMurray, Whitton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 14 and 33. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 56. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 32 and 103. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 84. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the
And why did my voice go off?